Hey everyone, Ted at R U Cars. This is our 2018 Mini Cooper. It's 1.5, 73,000 miles, finished in Chilli Red with the black roof and mirrors. Got the JCW Sports Kit. Looks the part. Got 7 services, 2 keys, 2 owners. Really nice looking bit of kit. Got the, I'm gonna say LED headlights, they might be Xenon, but the upgraded headlights, the 17-inch track spoke wheels. As I mentioned, the black roof and mirrors. This absolutely looks the bee's knees. Drives really well. Got your reg number there if you wish to carry out any checks. It's got the darkened rear glass, the pearl cloth, the Union Jack lights, cruise control. Very pretty car. I'll show you inside. All clean and tidy in the boot with the load cover. Got the compressor, etc. there, and the lock and wheel key is in the glove box. Your full toolkit, split fold rear seats. And in the front, as I mentioned, we've got the pearl cloth with the black leather, 3-spoke JCW steering wheel. The seats are lovely, as are the rears with the Isofix. Full set of luxury car mats. Got the JCW sills, electric mirrors, windows. I'll just start her up for you. 73,462 miles. Warnings or anything. Nice little 3-cylinder twin power turbo engine. Plenty of poke in these. I will reset the tyre pressures, obviously, look. You see. Just waiting for the tyre pressure monitoring to reset. Needs a drive, but other than that, no warnings. All your service bits and bobs are good. Your DAB radio, FM, Bluetooth, USB. Everything that you're going to need. Icy cold aircon. Start, stop. USB down the bottom there. 6-speed manual box. I've got your handbooks in the glove box. And that is about that. Nice example this. Priced very keenly, considering it has got the JCW kit. A lot of these for similar money don't have the JCW kit, so bear that in mind when looking. And please do give us a call if you'd like to book in for a test drive. If you are also looking at financing the car, we can assist with that. We are fully FCA regulated and we do work with a number of brokers and lenders to get you the best deals that we can. Thanks for watching.